Alright, also on the program, I want to bring to you Igbo speaking community, the president, Chief Sunday Udeh, inaugurated the Council of Elders, who will foresee to the good running of Igbo in Igbo speaking community in Lagos State, to counsel them, to bring them closer to the leadership of APC in Lagos State.
The Elders Council of Igbo speaking community in Lagos is not just beginning. This is an organ of Igbo speaking community that is in the Constitution. The Constitution was registered in the year 1989. That's, if you calculate it now, it's about how many years? 27 years.
37.
If you come to Igbo speaking community in Lagos Constitution, Article 7, you will see the composition and the functions of this constitution. 1. General Assembly. 2. Women's Wing. 3. Elders Council. Why I bring this particular position in this constitution is for we to know that Igbo speaking community Elders Council has been in existence.
The ceremony and the swearing in we are doing here now, because this is the Elders Council. When we run into a hitch, when we have any difficulty, it is the Elders Council that the ESCO or any other member can run to for safety. The President, the President General, State Executives, and the entire members of Igbo speaking community in Lagos wishes to inform you of the appointment as a member of the Igbo speaking community Lagos State Elders Council. The appointment into the Elders Council is as a result of your astute leadership qualities and your humanitarian gesture to humanity. Your humility and experience in your field of endeavor will be needed as at this point. I do hereby undertake to do the biddings of the Igbo speaking community Lagos, and to abide by its constitution and bylaws. So help me God.
As the president of the speaking community in Lagos, I think it fits to inaugurate the Elders Council. The Elders Council means the leaders, the apex committee in association.
The most areas, most fields where the Igbos function small.
The Elders Council of Igbo speaking community.
Today we have just inaugurated, for the very first time, the Elders Council of Igbo speaking community Lagos State.
Our support for government must be on peace, because the
Igbos can never make such mistake of the past.
By the templates given to them, we are looking forward to have better days ahead.